Hi, my name is Akash Yadav. I'm an artist, I'm a painter. I've done my education from US, from Southern Methodist University. I studied arts and advertising. I'm also a film student. I went to Whistling Woods in Mumbai. Then briefly I went to LA and New York Film School. But I've always been a painter. By briefly I mean a couple of years. I worked as a screenwriter in Mumbai. And I've always been an artist, as I mentioned. So I was always interested in visual arts. Even as a child, I won a couple of national competitions. I won Coca-Cola National Mascot Championship. This was, I think, when I was in 6th grade. So from a very young age, the artist bug bit me. So I was really fascinated by arts. I was really fascinated by colors. And I personally feel that colors have much more power to express oneself more than words. Words can be manipulated, but colors have their own theory. They have their own reality. You really cannot manipulate them. My artistic inspirations are Mr. Satish Gujral. I got to experience his works up and close in my friend's house. He was exhibiting there actually, and I was really fascinated by his mastery. Even if I can touch 1/10 of his artistic abilities, I'll be a very happy artist. The other inspiration is Mr. Ghulam Muhammad Sheikh. I really enjoy his artworks and the stories he tells through his canvas. This painting is called a reverie. So basically it's two women who are daydreaming, and being a film student, I have always struggled trying to show a person's internal struggle. So in films we used to use voiceovers just to express what's going inside a person's mind. So I realized that painting is a great medium to actually show what's going inside a person's head. So these two women, they're trying to get inside each other's minds. They want to change each other's lives for a day. So that's what it's actually showcasing. It's a cubist work, as you can see, and the colors are such because the old English saying goes that the grass is greener on the other side. So I've tried to make it a little vibrant, and obviously the colors of the ladies. I'm an Indian, so I like the Indian tone. So I've kept the tone very Indian, and the medium that I've used is acrylics, and it's acrylics on canvas. This painting is called the Silk Route. It's still a work in progress, as you can see. It's going to look something similar to the textures of this painting. I have used 4 different mediums in this painting. It's called Mithya Nagar, the Battle of Mithya Nagar. So the 4 different mediums I use is oil colors, oil paints. I use pastels, I use watercolors, and I use acrylics. This will also have 4 different mediums to it, and this will show the ancient trading routes that India shared with Afghanistan, with Bay of Bengal, with China. So it will show the old ancient trading networks. So it will be a historical painting, and I'm really looking forward to completing it and showcasing it, and I hope all of you like it. This is a poetry I wrote a couple of years back in Hindi. It's called Chalta Hi Chal. This is about every artist's internal struggle, what any artist who's striving to become something in life goes through, his internal journey, because there's sometimes, there's very little motivation around him. So he has to find his strength inside of him. So that's what this poetry is about. It's called Chalta Hi Chal. मैं थक हार के ज़मीं पे यूं ही पड़ा हुआ था, मुड़ के देखा वो शांत बिल्कुल शून्य खड़ा था। मैं जाकर बोला, सुन तू मुझको कोई सीख सिखा दे, या फिर कोई नुस्खा दे और जीने का फ़लसफ़ा बता दे। पहले बिल्कुल मौन रहा वो, उसने अपना मुंह न खोला। मैं भी यूं ही खड़ा रहा, फिर वो मुझसे हंस के बोला, चलता ही चल, चलता ही चल, मत डर, ना रास्ता बदल, कल फिर बदलेगा कल, है यहाँ तू तेरी हर मुश्किल का खुद ही हल, फिर उठ झुककर गिरकर फिर से तू संभल, हार स्वीकार कर, जरा सब्र कर, पल दो पल, चलता ही चल, चलता ही चल, चलता ही चल। I am really looking forward to participating in Utsav 2 by Ekatva Arts Foundation. I would like to extend my thanks to Ms. Saloni Wadhwa, who is the art curator here. Thank you so much for having me, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you there.